Now we will start stretch. First of all, we will discuss horizontal stretch. We will start from our previous knowledge. Recall y is equal to sine of x from 0 to 360 degrees. We will draw y is equal to sine of x from 0 to 360 degrees. This one is y is equal to sine of x from 0 to 360 degrees. Okay. Now we will draw the curve for y is equal to sine 2x. And what is the difference between y is equal to sine of x and sine 2x? सॉरी, आवाज नहीं आ रही.
रेंज चेंज हो जाएगी आई थिंक 0 to 720.
सॉरी बेटा, आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही है आपकी.
सर अब आ रही है?
जी.
सर रेंज चेंज होगी 0 से लेकर 720 तक.
नहीं, इसमें न्यू पीरियड निकालने का फॉर्मूला होता है. उसका फॉर्मूला है जी न्यू पीरियड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल y is equal to sin 2x है. We will compare this one with y is equal to a sin bx plus c. In this one c is equal to 0. ये क्या है? मीन लाइन है. y is equal to 0 is the मीन लाइन. अब इसमें b क्या है? फ्रीक्वेंसी इन ओरिजिनल पीरियड. इसका ओरिजिनल पीरियड क्या है जी बताएं. इसका ओरिजिनल पीरियड 360 डिग्रीज है. इसके 360 डिग्रीज में दो लूप्स बनेंगे. 360 डिग्रीज में इसके दो लूप्स बनेंगे और इसका ए इज द एम्पलीट्यूड. एम्पलीट्यूड इज in this case is 1. This one is 360 degrees. This one is 180. Now we will have to draw two loops of this one in 360 degrees or one loop in 180 degrees. Is there any confusion now? जी.
ए एम्पलीट्यूड होता है, बी बी पीरियड होता है
जी.
और ऐसे
सी मीन लाइन होती है. यहां पर मीन लाइन y इज इक्वल टू 0 है जिसके अबाउट ही अप डाउन मूव करता है. बट आपकी आवाज कट रही है बार बार. एडजस्ट करें अपने आप को.
सर मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. अब
जी अब ठीक है. This one is the graph for y is equal to sine 2x. G, any question about y is equal to sine 2x?
Yes sir. इस
G.
तरह बना है सर.
Now we will draw the graph for y is equal to sine of half x. We will compare this one with y is equal to a sine bx plus c. Here the amplitude is 1, number of cycle is half, frequency is half, and the mean line is 0. This one is y is equal to 0, mean line. This one is y is equal to 0, already drawn. Now we will make half cycle of sine of x. We will draw half cycle for sine of x. This one is the half cycle for sine of x. Now, can you see that if we will replace x with 2x, x with 2x, the graph will shrink. And if we will replace x with half x, the graph will expand. The change of x is reverse in this case also.
जी सर.
If we will multiply, if we will replace x with 2x, then the graph will shrink. And if we will replace x with half x, there is a stretch. The graph will expand. Now I will write down this one, this change. In horizontal stretch, if we replace x by 2x, there will be, then we will have to divide x coordinates by 2. The graph will shrink and we will divide the x coordinates with 2. Now in the original curve, the x-intercepts are 0, 180 and 360. But in the case of sine 2x, the x-intercepts are 0 by 2, 180 by 2 and 360 by 2. जी बेटा क्लियर है? जी अयान
Clear sir.
जी. अब येलो वाले कर्व को हम डिफाइन करते हैं, सॉरी उसको ब्लू वाले को. In horizontal stretch, if we replace x by half x, the graph will stretch and we will multiply the x coordinates with 2. We will multiply the x coordinates with 2. In the above case, the stretch factor is half, and in the second case the stretch factor is 2. Now consider this example. There is a curve f of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Draw the graph for this graph the line of symmetry is the complete square form of this graph is f of x is equal to x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 0.25. For this graph, the line of symmetry is x is equal to minus 3 by 2. The turning point is minus 3 by 2 comma minus 0.25. The y-intercept is 0 comma 2 and x-intercepts are minus 2 0 and minus 1 0. Now, what about f of half x? In f of half x, we will multiply all the x coordinates with 2. ये second case में लिखा हुआ है ना बेटा यान?
जी सर.
Now, we will multiply all the x coordinates with 2. Now the new line of जी बेटा
क्योंकि स्ट्रेच फैक्टर 1 over 2 है.
सॉरी जी ये देखें ना stretch factor 2 है. The stretch factor is 2. If we will replace x by half x, the stretch factor is 2.
अच्छा.
In the second case, if the in case of the horizontal stretch, if we replace x by half x, the stretch factor is 2 and we will multiply all the x coordinates with 2. Now what should be the line of symmetry in this case?
Sir, सर मैं ये स्ट्रेच फैक्टर वाली चीज नहीं समझा क्योंकि ऊपर एफ 1/2x नहीं है।
जी हाफ एक्स है ना, यहां पर अगर हम इन दोनों को आपस में कंपेयर करें, x इज हाफ एक्स, तो यहां पर जो x कोऑर्डिनेट्स थे 0, 180 और 360, हमने उन सबको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करवा दिया। देखें पहला एक्स इंटरसेप्ट 180 था, नाउ द न्यू फर्स्ट एक्स इंटरसेप्ट इज 360 डिग्री, 180 वाला 360 पे चला गया।
ठीक है, मैं समझ गया।
नाउ व्हाट इज द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नाउ?
Sir, in horizontal stretch, if you replace x by 1 or 2x, the graph will stretch and you multiply the x coordinates with 2. तो sir, ये हो जाएगा 9/4 -9/4.
When we will multiply -3/2 with 2, the answer is
Oh, sorry. -6/2 तो -3.
-3, 2 को 2 से कैंसिल कर दें,
Okay.
-3. And the new turning point is there will be no change in the y coordinates, -3 comma -0.25, and y intercept is 0 comma 2. There will be change in x intercepts. Now the x intercept is -40 and -2 and 0. Now we will draw the two curves. One, 2, 3, and 4. This one is 1, 1, 2, 3. For the black curve, the original one, f of x, the line of symmetry is x is equal to 1.5. The turning point is this. The x-intercepts are this. So the curve here is this, passing through the y-intercept. This one is the curve y is equal to f of x. Now we want to draw y is equal to half x. The line of symmetry is x is equal to 3. This one is the turning point. The x-intercepts are -4 and -2. The y-intercept is 2. Can you see that the curve is stretched? Can you see the stretch in the curve?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one is horizontal stretch. Now we will move towards the last one, which is the vertical stretch. And after that, this one is the last topic, and that will be the end of transformations. Now we will start vertical stretch. Again, we will use our previous knowledge, recall y is equal to sin x, comma y is equal to 2 sin x and y is equal to half sin x. I will draw these curves. First of all, I will draw the graph for y is equal to sine of x. This one is the graph for y is equal to sine of x between 0 to 360. Now we will draw the graph of y is equal to sine 2x. What is the amplitude of y is equal to sine 2x, Ayan?
Say 2.
2.
So ये रिकॉल लिखा है रियल
जी,
लिखा है?
रिकॉल लिखा होगा, सॉरी, इसको मैं ठीक कर देता हूँ.
नहीं नहीं सेको में से नहीं मैंने लिखा.
Recall y is equal to sine 2x. This one is the graph for y is equal to sine 2x. Is there any confusion?
एक मिनट सर. तो डबल हो जाता है साइज में.
एम्पलीट्यूड इंक्रीज कर जाता है. y की वैल्यूज जो हैं वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाती हैं 2 के साथ और हाफ के साथ. The change of x is reverse. If there is sine 2x, graph will shrink. If there is sine half x, graph will expand. If there is 2 sine of x, the y coordinate, we will multiply the y coordinate with 2. If there is half sine of x, we will divide the y coordinates. But in the case of sine, it is reverse. If there is sine 2x, we will divide the x coordinates. If there is sine half x, we will multiply the x coordinates. जी यान.
ठीक है सर. तो ये जो ब्लू है 1 और 2 साइन. ओके मैं समझ.
In vertical stretch, if replace y by 2y, then we will multiply the y coordinate with 2. And the stretch factor is 2. In vertical stretch, if we replace y by half y, then we will multiply, we will divide the y coordinate, yeah, multiply the y coordinate with half, and the stretch factor is half.
एक मिनट में पेन ले आऊं, वो एक खत्म हो गई।
जी now the question is f of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Draw the graphs of f of x and 2 f of x. Solution. F of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Here the line of symmetry is x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Turning point is minus 3 by 2, comma, minus 0.25. Y-intercept is 0, 2. X-intercepts are minus 2, 0, minus 1, 0. Now for 2 f of x. For 2 f of x. 2 f of x के केस में हम क्या करेंगे? We will multiply the y coordinate with 2. So what is line of symmetry?
मल्टीप्लाई द y कोऑर्डिनेट, तो इससे इसका क्योंकि स्ट्रेच फैक्टर 2 है
जी
1/2,
स्ट्रेच फैक्टर इज 2.
तो इससे पिछले वाले में स्ट्रेच फैक्टर, पिछले वाले में 1/2 लिखा था, लेकिन स्ट्रेच फैक्टर उसका 2 था।
The change of x is reverse. ये y में चेंज है, आप y को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. In this case, f of x is multiplied by 2, not x is multiplied by 2. The change of y is as it is, while the change of x is reverse. If there is half x, we will multiply the x coordinate with 2. If there is 2x, we will divide the x coordinates with 2. While in the case of y, if there is 2y, we will multiply y with 2. If there is half y, we will multiply y with half.
Okay, sir.
Now, what should be the new line of symmetry?
So इससे multiply the y coordinate with 2, तो उससे यही होगा same.
Turning point is minus 3 by 2, comma, minus 0.5. We will multiply the y coordinate with 2. Y-intercept will be 0, 4, and the x-intercepts will remain the same. Minus 2, 0, and minus 1, 0. Now we will draw the two curves, and that will be the end of this chapter. For the black curve, the line of symmetry is x is equal to minus 1.5. This one is the turning point. X-intercepts are minus 1 and minus 2. Y-intercept is 2. The black curve is this. And the same diagram on the left hand side of the line of symmetry. Now, for 2f of x, the line of symmetry is same. This one is the turning point, minus 3 over 2 minus 0.5. The x-intercepts are same. Y-intercept is 4. This one is the shape of the 2f of x. Is there any confusion now?
So ये जो sketch है ये rough sketch बनेगा
Yes,
या
sketch is always rough.
वैसे तो ये exact तो नहीं होना चाहिए ना left और right दोनों.
Now we will summarize the stretch. Horizontal stretch, vertical stretch. Vertical stretch is the change in the y coordinate. Stretch along y-axis, invariant line, x-axis, स्ट्रेच फैक्टर ए, y की चेंज सीधी सीधी होती है, अगर स्ट्रेच फैक्टर ए है तो y कोऑर्डिनेट्स के साथ वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा। If the equation of the curve is y is equal to f of x, then the new equation is y is equal to a f of x. We will multiply the y coordinates with a, with the stretch factor. Stretch along y-axis invariant line x-axis stretch factor 1 over a. If the equation of curve is y is equal to f of x, then the new curve after transformation is 1 over a f of x. We will multiply the coordinates with y coordinates with 1 over a. Horizontal stretch. Stretch along x-axis invariant line y-axis stretch factor a. If the equation of the curve is y is equal to f of x, then the new curve, the transformed curve, has the equation y is equal to f of 1 over ax. We will divide the x coordinates with a. Vertical stretch. Sorry. Stretch along x-axis invariant line y-axis stretch factor 1 over a. If the equation of the curve is y is equal to f of x, then the new transformed equation is y is equal to f of ax. In the case when stretch factor is a, and we will replace x with 1 over ax, the curve will expand. And in the case when the stretch factor is 1 over a, and we will multiply we will replace the x with ax, the graph will shrink. This one is the summary of stretch.